Hello, amazing learners, and welcome to our magical world of letters. Are you ready to go on an adventure and learn the sounds of the alphabet? Let's start with the letter A. Look, it's an apple. Apple. Can you say it with me? Apple. Fantastic. Next up, we have B. B is for bounce, bounce, bounce. B says per B, ball. You're a natural. Now who's this? It's C for cat. The cat says K. Give it a try. K, cat. Wonderful. And here comes D for dog. The dog says D, dog. Great job. Look, it's E for elephant. What a big elephant, he says. Elephant. Keep it up. Here comes F for fish swimming by. F says per F fish. Fish. Following the fish is G for goat. The goat says per gram goat. You're doing so well. What's next? It's for hat. Let's put on our hats. H says ha. Perfect. And I's for igloo. Brr, it's chilly. I says Now, let's jump with J for jump. J says jump. Awesome jumping. Here's K for kite, flying high in the sky. K says per K kite. And L for lion, the king of the jungle. L says per L, lion. Roar. M is for moon, shining so bright. M says per meter, moon, beautiful. N is for nest, high up in the tree. N says per N, nest. And O is for octopus, with 8 long arms. O says, octopus. P is for pig. Oink, 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 oh, os, with 8 long arms. P says pig. You've got it. Here comes Q for queen. Q says queen. And R for rainbow, so colorful. R says per R rainbow. S is for sun, warming up our day. S says per second, sun. T is for tiger with stripes, so bold. T says tiger. We're almost there. U is for umbrella. S says umbrella. V is for violin, playing a sweet tune. V says per V violin. W is for window. Let's look outside. W says per with window. X is in box. Can you hear the sound at the end? Box. X says box. Y is for yo-yo. Up and down it goes. I says yo. And last but not least, Z for zebra. Z says zebra. You did it! You learned all the letter sounds from A to Z. You are all superstars. Thank you so much for joining our alphabet adventure today. If you had fun, please give us a like and subscribe for more amazing learning journeys. See you next time.